does genetically modified mean?
An organism whose genome has been altered by genetic engineering.
Examples. Canola oil.
Canola is actually a made-up word for a genetically modified product. Canola oil is developed from the rapeseed plant, which is part of the mustard family of plants. These oils have long been used for industrial purposes. It is an industrial oil, not a food.
Potato.
Genetically modified amylopectin potatoes have been tested in field trials for several years. The meantime, applications have been presented to European regulatory authorities for approving the cultivation of these potatoes as a renewable raw material for starch production. Because the post-processing residues would be fed to livestock, a request for the approval of the potatoes as feed has also been submitted. Starch-modified GM potatoes have been growing in European fields soon.
Honey.
The aroma, color, and taste of honey is determined by plants which bees have collected nectar and other secretions. If commercial labeling of the honey indicates a specific plant, it must be provable that a minimum of 50% of the source of nectar systems from this plant. No material may be added to honey, nor may any inherent components be
And
milk.
milk.
Meat products, eggs, milk, and dairy products are often derived from animals that were raised with genetically modified feed. Soy makes up the basis for most animal feed and is imported into the EU mostly from US, Brazil, and Argentina. It is estimated that 60 to 90% of world soybean exports comes from genetically modified plants. Raising livestock with GM feed does not affect the quality of the resulting food products.
Corn.
GMO sweet corn is genetically engineered to be a herbicide resistant and to produce its own insecticide. Like all GMOs, genetically modified sweet corn has not been thoroughly tested to ensure that it is safe for consumption.
There is better overall quality and taste. Through the modification of foods, the flavors can be enhanced. Peppers can become sweeter, difficult flavors can become more
More
palatable.
nutritional benefits. GMO foods can have vitamins and minerals added to them through genetic modification to provide greater nutritive benefits to those who eat them. This is especially common in developing countries that don't always have access to needed resources.
Introducing allergens and toxins to food, accidental contamination between genetically modified and non-genetically modified food, creation of superweeds, and other environmental risks. And he just went after the other dog, and he kind of lost his leg. So the pet owner, Olivia, just ran outside to tape him up real quick. He didn't get hurt. But now, to actually make him completely better, we're going to genetically modify him. These treats are our genetically modified foods. See, let's feed Hemming some treats. Stop it. And voila! The dog has been genetically modified, and now his leg is on correctly.
So as a recap,
What does genetically modified mean?
An organism whose genome has been altered by genetic engineering.
that was good.
Way of shoot, okay.
Milk! Here are some examples. Canola oil.
This is honey.
Potatoes as feed has been I missed a whole
Be herbicide resistant, resist pests, increase grain size, generate nutrients, flavors, or even
It's developed from the
rapeseed.
There's more nutritional.
Can you see me in the mirror?
sorry.